I'm Professor Marcy Karin.
My name is Samantha Carolina. I'm a 4LE. I am graduating in May 2022. Woo-hoo.
The Legislation and Civil Rights Clinic that I direct has been working with various clients, community partners, and actually other clinics to advance menstrual justice, which removes systemic barriers on menstruators, so women, girls, transgender men and boys, non-binary and intersex individuals, simply because they menstruate. And so we started this work by working with a client to remove the tax on menstrual products in the district, and by bringing the voices and experiences of students, detained and unhoused individuals to Congress. And then we moved to start pushing for the district to require menstrual education and product access in DC schools and universities and colleges. And for the last few semesters, we've been representing menstrual policies in the bar.
The mission for MP in the bar is to ensure that bar examinees have access to their own menstrual products and are able to have them on their person without having to keep them in a locker or having to use generic products.
Clinic students have engaged in empirical research, including creating, pushing out, and analyzing the results of a study of former test takers, to constitutional and statutory sex and gender discrimination analysis. And now we are working on advocacy with state boards of law examiners seeking for their adoption of our client's model policy.
And believe it or not, doing a survey was very challenging. I went through 26 versions before the actual survey was officially approved. There is more than one way to promote justice. And what I think is justice for one person, someone else might say, yes, this fits this category of people, but we also tend to overlook this category. Then what about this category? So I think that our laws need to be framed so that as the future happens, as technology happens, that we are able to include these things that we can foresee in the future.
Students have been integral to all this work. I'm thrilled that we have started to make some headway with the state boards, and I'm cautiously optimistic that with the students' help, we're going to see some more changes moving forward.